Hello friends, welcome back to Ashart. Today I'll be showing a video on how to make mutton biryani. For this I'm taking 1 kg of mutton which is sliced for biryani. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons of salt. Now I'm adding 2 tablespoons of chili powder. And then I'm marinating it nicely and keeping it aside for 15 to 20 minutes. So for the biryani base paste, we are taking all these ingredients together. Now take a mini jar, take 10 to 12 shallots, 5 to 6 garlic cloves and a few pieces of ginger. Add 5 to 6 dried red chili, 2 green chilies, some mint leaves, and few coriander leaves. I've taken more coriander because I like the flavor of the coriander. Now add 1 tablespoon of coriander powder to this. Now grind them into smooth paste. Now heat your cooker and add 3 to 4 tablespoons of ghee to it. Once the ghee is hot, we will add all the biryani masalas to it. I'm adding 4 to 5 cinnamon sticks, 10 to 12 cloves, star, bay leaf, cardamom and some cumin seeds to this. You can adjust the spices according to your taste and how much flavor you want. Mix them nicely till you get a beautiful aroma. Now we will add our chopped onions. Here I am taking 4 medium sized onions sliced lengthwise. Mix them nicely till the onion turns golden brown. You have to keep mixing. Keep it in low flame. Add salt according to your taste. We add salt to this onion so that the raw smell goes away. Once the onion turns really brown, we'll add the chopped tomatoes. I've taken 3 ripe small tomatoes here. Mix everything nicely. Now to this we will add our ground paste. Once you added ground paste, now we'll add the marinated mutton to this. Mix everything nicely so that the masala goes in to the mutton. You can add any additional salt if you want. I'm adding 3 glasses of water to this because I'm taking 3 glasses of rice for making this biryani. Mix them nicely. Add some coriander leaves and mint leaves to this and mix them nicely. Check the salt and spice level. You can add if you want more. Close the lid of the cooker. Pressure cook it till your meat gets tender. I have done here 10 to 12 whistles because my meat was not that tender. When you open this is how the mutton looks. Mix them once more. Check for salt. Check whether the mutton is cooked well. Now to this we will add our soaked basmati rice. Since I didn't have basmati rice, I'm using normal rice. Make sure to soak them 20 minutes in water. Drain the water and mix it according to this. Mix it nicely. Add little more salt. Mix them once more. You can pressure cook it for 1 whistle. After that, keep the cooker in low flame for 10 minutes. Once open, this is how our mutton biryani looks. In case you feel your biryani is little watery, keep it in low flame for 5 minutes. Mine came perfectly well, so I'm transferring it into a serving bowl. So here is the final look of our mutton biryani. If you like the video, like, subscribe and press the bell button. Thanks for watching.